is another M.Fasol production.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this tutorial is going to be on the pink glam for winter. So if you want to see more, don't forget to stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off by using the Urban Decay Born to Run, which I absolutely love. And I'm going to start off, if I can open it, by using a neutral colour, something like this, which is more to my skin tone, in the shade Riff. And I'm going to use this with one of my eyeshadow brushes. Actually, I'll use one of these. It's one of the Urban Decay ones as well, from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. And I'll start off by using the lighter shade of brown on my eyelids. Just going to keep buffering that in. I'm going to go on my other eyelids. Right. Up next, I'm going to use a more deeper brown in the shade Punk, which I'll show you, which is here. It might not come up as dark on the camera, but it's a really deep brown, more towards my skin tone, but slightly deeper. I'm just going to apply that. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. So the look I'm going for is a smoky pink look, and I'm trying to use a black shade, but I'm going to use a lipstick from Kiko in the number 15, just to have that intensity and dramaticness in the eyes. So I'm going to try this on my eyelids guys, just a little bit at a time.
This is another M.Fasol production. Fasol Pride.
This is an original instrumental.
Now to set the black, I'm going to use the shade Jet in the Urban Decay again palette, Born to Run. As you can see. up next, I'm going to create a crease, cut crease, using the MAC Studio Fix Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC50. You can see. I'm going to get myself a flat concealer brush. I'm going to start off with a little tiny one.
This is an original instrumental. Soulful music.
Do the same on the other eyelids.
This is another M.Fasol production.
This is an original instrumental.
First, what colour? Okay, so for the pink in the corners of my eyes, I'm going to start off with this gorgeous colour from Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, where I've just created the cut crease, and I'm going to use this lovely pink here. Just dabbing that in, give it a more nice effect.
This is an original instrumental.
I'll do the same on the other eyelids.
Soulful music. Enjoy.
Now to add some glitter, I'm going to use the, I might work with two glitters actually. So let me just spray this so it can smooth on nicely. I might use the lighter shade first of all. This lovely glitter palette, you might not see it. See if I can put it forward to the camera. These shades, nice.
This is an original instrumental. Soulful music.
Spray some more. And I'm going to use the rest on the other eyelids of the glitter palette.
This is another M.Fasol production.
To blend everything in, I'm going to use this really medium to light purple just to blend the whole black and the glittery pink in. I'll be using this colour.
This is an original instrumental.
I'm just swirling that in, guys. A circular motion. Just blending in the eyeshadow.
This is an original instrumental.
For the corners of my eyes, my little tear ducts here, I think I'm going to go in with the champagne colour. This colour here. Right guys, now I'm going to apply my lashes off camera, these lovely mink lashes. These mink lashes, and I'll be back soon.
Fossil pride.
This is an original instrumental. Soulful music.
It's not bad, but once I put the lipstick in, it'll be better. Right, I'm going to use, not that one,
Another M.Fasol production.
the shade All Fired Up. Just wipe this piece off. And it's this sort of pinky shade for MAC. See if you can see it.
This is an original instrumental. Soulful music.
It's a bit too bright, but kind of scary, so I'm just going to tone it down with a more purpley colour, like a fine magenta.
This is another M.Fasol production.
There we are.
Fossil pride.
This is an original instrumental.
Just to add some effects, I might actually add some nice shimmery eyeshadow. See what I can work with.
Soulful music.
I add this colour in Wild Heart.